Hi, JD with GREE and another tech tip. So we do get a lot of calls and the contractor doesn't know how to explain what I-Feel is or even what it is. A lot of homeowners don't. So let me explain. So typically, if it's not on I-Feel, which that's how it comes from the factory, the indoor head is the sensor of where it senses temperature. It monitors it. That's why the fan continues to blow. Even when it shuts off, the fan goes to an ultra low speed to monitor temperature. When we put it in I-Feel, the remote becomes the sensor. So to me, that's ideal comfort. You could put that next to you on your nightstand, on the coffee table, next to you on the couch, as long as it's pointing towards the head and within range, which is 20 foot or less. Then the remote becomes the sensor. So it's going to sense temperature right next to you rather than, at the indoor head. So again, ideal comfort. So let me show you on the remote how to do so. And again, if your remote does not have an I-Feel button, then you hit mode and up at the same time. That'll bring it into I-Feel mode as well. And if you have a controller, same thing, mode and up. If it does not have I-Feel on the controller, we'll bring it into I-Feel. So let me show you on these remotes here. Again, there is an I-Feel button right here. And right now, I-Feel is actually on, so I turned it off. And again, you turn it on, a little icon appears right here. And same thing with this one. Right now, there is an I-Feel button right here, top right. I-Feel was on already. Now we shut it off. Now I bring it back on. You can see that little icon appears right there. If you are using I-Feel and the remote is your sensor, if it's in the sunlight, that could affect it. If it's next to your fireplace, that can also throw it off or something like that. So again, just keep in mind of if you are using that, where it's located and where it's next to you. And again, with GREE, we're by your side.